Minsan na lang nga ako mabalita ganito pa! Hey guys, so I guess some of you may have seen the photo and the video that's been going around online. Let me just show you. That's not me. Let me rewind it for you. Nope, still not me. But this, that's me. That's me on the upper right corner of the photo. You got the wrong girl. That's not me on the video, but they're claiming that I am the girlfriend of Chavit Singson. I have never met Chavit Singson in my life. I don't know him personally, but I know his son, whom I reached out to kasi baka matulungan niya ako dito sa issue na to. So I sent him the article and the post, and this was our conversation. I'm gonna just show you. So you've seen it. Chavit Singson son, quote unquote, nadamay ka pa. So I'm just a victim here. Biktima po ako ng fake news. Huwag tayong nagpapaniwala sa mga nakikita natin online. It could hurt somebody's reputation. It could hurt their career. It could hurt their mental health. So please stop spreading misinformation about people. Kasi not everything that you see on the internet is real, okay? Some people are just making up shit to earn money from them, to milk money out of people, out of innocent people. I'm not guilty of this, but I don't want to go out in public right now and, you know, people are going to start laughing at me. People are going to start talking shit behind my back, talking shit in my face because of what they've seen on the internet. And I can't even defend myself because it's been posted anonymously. It's so unfair, you guys. So let's be responsible. Let's bring back the positive of social media. It used to be this platform where we can endorse and can build our businesses, you know, where we can connect and find communities here. It's getting toxic that we all have to talk about is chismis. Kachipan! Nakaka-frustrate lang po na palagi na lang chismis ba? Hindi na ba tayo pwedeng magtulungan, makapaghanap ng opportunities para sa isa't isa? It used to be like that eh. Wala nang substance. And innocent people are getting hurt. It could potentially ruin their relationships. It could potentially hurt their personal lives or their mental health. So let's stop spreading fake news and misinformation about people. It's my face right there that's been making the headlines today. Minsan na lang nga ako mabalita ganito pa! I just want to clarify this. I already talked to a lawyer and I've been getting advice. What should I do next? And I already talked to my management, so to all my agents and my management. Hindi po ako yun. So just want to clarify this. Let's be positive. Let's not ruin each other here. It should be a safe space for everybody. Social media should be a safe space for all of us, you know. Ilang buhay pa ba ang kailangan mawala, di ba? Like kids, you know, the younger generation are themselves because of cyberbullying. So let's stop this. Let's be responsible and let's fact check. Uwaliin natin mag-fact check before tayo mag-repost ng kung ano-ano. Yun lang po yung gusto ko sabihin. And pwede na tayong kumalma. Mga kaibigan ko dyan, mga followers na nagme-message sa akin, thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Let's stop this bullshit. Whoever started this rumor, oh my gosh, you're giving me publicity right now. You should have tagged me. I should be getting royalties from you fuckers.